Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World, also known as Fugi Across the World, chapter 58. Yang said to her, I accept your apology. Looking at Xiaoying, she's a little bit blushing right now. Although, Yang said, do you accept mine, Xiaoying? Xiaoying, right now, she moved closer to her. Of course, she was still blushing. On her minds, it turned out to be. She was worried about this problem before, but both of them are really shy to show each other feelings. Xiaoying, as of this moment, of course, I accept it. Well, it really turns well. Yangzhu, I can tell you for sure, I will never be with a man. Oh, this is it. Because I don't like men at all. You don't have to think about these kind of things in the future. Well, it's a good relief that Xiaoying finally admitted. I promise you I won't think about it anymore. Yangshu said to her as a promise also. Yangshu looks much better. Xiaoying said to herself, should I really tell her what I'm going to do at this time like this? Of course, she need to convey her feelings. But no, I can hide anything from her anymore. Well, that's a good choice. You don't have to need hide anything from her. Yangchu, I have one more thing to talk about you. Huh? What's the matter? Yangchu is questioning. Oops, you are still sick. Let's sit down and talk. Xiaoying, she is asking her gently. But for Yangchu, she seems to be fine. After all, really made her a good tonic. Can really boost herself. Yangshu said to her, did you really decide to go back to Shanlilin? Oh, this is a good idea. Finally, Yangshu, she really have a guts to say this. Xiaoying said, she's calmer than I thought. I don't know if this is a good thing or bad thing. Xiaoying said to herself, once I really missed the stage and the audience. The second is that after I left, in a fit of anger last time, old for Yang Yufing still owe me a lot of sharing. You really have to get it back. That's your hard-earned money. Yang Chu tells her, but right now she seems to be calmer. I have complicated feelings for Shanlanin. Maybe you think it's just ridiculous. It's only just a dance hall. I don't think it's funny. Yang Chu said to her, Xiaoying, you are a person who values friendship and loyalties. Better is to be an audience of Shang Yuping, Shanlalin. Well, right now, Yang Chu, she really wants to try to understand Xiaoying so much. How can you be sure? Is your affections not this handle? Well, right now, of course, Xiaoying. She was really thinking hard. And I have to admit that words of the beginnings are reasonable. Now, Yangchu, in addition to Shanlilin, have you considered other places? Of course, right now, Yangchu want to hear her answer. But in fact, I have considered other dance hall, but each has something not to the ideal. Some are very small and naturally they can make any more money. Naturally don't want to mess with pissing tanks home to home. To be honest, I've been doing it for so many years. Well, Yangshu, well, it's reasonable. Oh, this is bad. Yangshu, right now, you really have some guts to make a joke. Yangshu, it's not that I don't believe you, but you really can't get it down. You have an acquaintance, you and Yang Yuping. Maybe we're dealing it with some room. Also, I wanted to cling to Bising Tang, but now there's no more talk. Indeed, I always talk to him with unforgiving attitude. What's more, Tang Hongshen is also one of the shareholders of Shanlilin. Right at the moment, Yangchu, right now, it's clear that you don't have to tell me everything. Well, as of now, Yangchu seems to be puzzled because I thought that he was Yang Rufing's lobbyist. As for hiding it from you, it seems that after we all quarreled, we became more concerned about each other's feeling. Well, finally, Yangshu, it came to her minds that she's one to calm down. Do you think Yang Rufing and Tang Hongsheng know our relationship? Well, of course, maybe they are. I'm not quite sure. Yangshu and I met Yang Rufing. It was a quite ambiguous when he thought about it and what he said. Well, Xiaoying right now seems to be puzzled. Of course, there's a little bit misunderstanding, but it was clearly men sometimes don't speak like this. Of course, they're really concerned about her. I don't want you to go back to Shanlin, it's true. Stop doing from whatever you want. I've always felt that many things, missing tongues are too dangerous and you are afraid of something will happen to me. But you never told me to give up because your selfishness. Right now, Xiaoying, she was calling Yangchu. Of course, she is concerned about her. Yangchu said to her, so I have no position to ask you to give up. Well, this is really a good choice. You cannot dictate anyone, especially you love her. They as always have their own choice. Yangchu, you accepted. I was still going to Yang Rufing to try to talk, and Tang Hongsheng can rest assured business is business and I will not be emotional. Right now, Yangshu is trying to tease her, but as long as there's a little chance, right now, of course, she will give anything to Xiaoying. Subject to my words, Yangshu said to her, and will you be more comfortable? Oh, this is the best thing having to Xiaoying. The misunderstanding had been solved quickly. Now she was flirtatious by her again. Oh, this is something crazy. Xiaoying, right now, she really wants to grab her hands. Looking at her, Yangchu, she seems to be surprised. He said to her, yeah, being together again. And it seems that this time it was really a good promising for the future. I said, you are so sick. Xiaoying said to her, but Yangchu continued to tease her. Yangchu, since she really felt sick, Xiaoying easily pinned her down. Wu is controlled by Wu maybe. Well, as of the moment, words become taken out from her. I never been like this by her. Of course, Xiaoying, right now, she really want to be dominant. The way Xiaoying is now, it's not the same as before. Well, the two of them are getting shy to each other. Especially, this misunderstanding really helped them be grown like a real adult. Now, they're not acting like a baby. Yangshu easily grabbed her and moved her closer to her. Shush. But just to fall on Yangshu. Oh, this too. Even though she's still sick, she can help herself but just to bear it a little. And I can't stand it anymore. Yangshu, is your body okay? You're still sick. Well, finally the two of them are getting together. Oops, Cloud is probably going to be there back. Oh, but Yangshu. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!